And for that reason, in order to have anything completed, you have to have someone cheering you on. And I thank you so much. You are my baby. You are my source of strength, one of my biggest prayer warriors. And if you don't have a prayer warrior praying you up, it makes no sense. And I want to thank you for always doing that for me. I want to always thank you for encouraging me. You are my baby niece, but also my big auntie. Okay? Thank you for sharing this day with me. And as a appreciation, this is for you. Thank you. I love you, Sabrina. I love you so much, mommy. Thank you. Thank you. The life of the party.
Her, as a real girl.
I couldn't have done this day without you. Reason being, we have to have your energy, and you keep us going. You keep me going. When you became a part of our family, we gained a sister, a niece, a cousin, and I speak highly of you, and we are so lucky to have you. Thank you for being a part of my special day.
Oh, you're welcome.
And as a token of my appreciation, this is for you.
Happy we are at girl in real life, never a flat girl.
Fran, St. Hughes, Q-Tech, off to J1 days, H2B days. I chose you for a reason to celebrate this day by my side.